In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a map in Coda using Google Map or Map Packs. We're going to walk through a simple process so you can place an interactive map directly inside your Coda doc. This is great for visualizing locations, planning events, or sharing places with your team. I'll add helpful context as we go so you know exactly what to expect on each screen. First, open your web browser and head to Coda. Sign in to your account so you have access to your docs and pages. Once you're in, open the Coda doc where you want the map to live. If your doc has multiple pages, navigate to the specific page that should display the map, so the new element drops in the right place. Next, look to the top right corner of your document and click Insert. This opens the right-hand panel where you can add building blocks, tables, and integrations. In that panel, switch to the Packs tab. Packs extend what your doc can do, and that's where the mapping options are found. In the search bar at the top of the Packs panel, type Map. You'll see options like Google Map and Map Packs. Both can place a map in your doc. Pick the one that best matches your needs. Google Map is great for a straightforward embedded map experience, while Map Packs can be especially helpful if you plan to connect map pins to data in your tables. Either way, you can't go wrong for a simple location display. Click your chosen option, then select Add to Doc. Coda will add the pack to your document and guide you through placing a map block on the page. If you're prompted to grant permissions or continue, just follow the on-screen instructions so the pack can function correctly. Now it's time to configure. Follow the prompts to add your locations. This can be done with addresses, place names, or latitude and longitude coordinates for precise placement. For best results, use clear, complete addresses and double-check spelling. If you're using coordinates, enter them in decimal format like 37.7, 749, 122.4194. Many map blocks also let you set the default zoom level. Choose a starting view and label your pins, which makes the map easier to read at a glance. After adding your locations, take a moment to pan and zoom to ensure everything looks right and that the pins land where you expect. That's it. Your map is now part of your Coda doc and will update based on the configuration you set. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.